Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the environment for growth. Pour cooled sweet tea into your jar and add the SCOBY with starter liquid. Make sure the tea is at room temperature so you don't shock the culture. Once placed, cover with a breathable cloth and secure it. This keeps contaminants out but lets air in, which kombucha needs. Check the jar's seal and move it to a stable, shaded spot at 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Stability encourages a thick, even cellulose mat to form. Once the initial film appears, you focus on steady growth. Leave the jar untouched for days, only checking visually. Keep temperature consistent and avoid moving the jar. Disturbance causes an uneven pellicle. If you want a thicker leather, extend fermentation to 3 or 4 weeks and feed with small amounts of sweet tea if it slows. Make sure there's gentle airflow. Oxygen helps cellulose accumulate. When the pellicle reaches a few millimeters to a centimeter, you can gently lift it to inspect uniformity before proceeding to washing and drying. You now transform the pellicle into usable leather. Lift and rinse it gently in filtered water to remove loose yeast and sour residues. Once rinsed, soak briefly in a tannin or dye bath to add color and slightly stiffen the fibers. Test a corner for desired flexibility. Then lay the sheet on a breathable mesh, smooth out wrinkles, and dry slowly, 2 to 7 days depending on humidity. If cracking appears, rehydrate lightly and apply a natural leather oil. Tip: persistent mold or sour rot means discard and restart with fresher starter liquid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.